Hi, this is John with WATI. And if you want to turn out your old computer, your old laptop, and you want to bring it back to life and make it modern again, get an SSD. Yes, the solid state drive, they just work great. And this one from Kingston, that is a 240 gigs, has done the job great for me. So I've dealt with different laptops. Some of them that were capable, some of them they didn't have the great processing speed. But when it comes to booting your computer that's going to be fast, grabbing an SSD, and specifically this one, Kingston, it just does the job correctly. So if you want to do it, you put the Windows in the main compartment or this as your main drive, and it's going to boot up your games, it's going to boot up your images, your applications, or even the whole laptop or PC faster than any other storage option that you may get. So you're looking for a great solution, Kingston, reliable, great, and it's going to do the job for you. This was John with ATI. That's my point of view.